What is up, my internet friends and family? I'm Charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to YTP, Charmx Hates Nicky the Cat by Nicky the Cat. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, I love Nicky the Cat, so, this should be very interesting to say the least, but with that being said, the original link's in the description. Make sure you go subscribe to Nicky the Cat if you haven't already. That link's also in the description. And with that being said, let's begin. Wait, is that McJuggernuggets?
What is up, you guys?
This video is not a reaction video, and instead today I'm just going to be talking about how much I hate Nicky the Cat. Now, Nicky, if you are familiar with, is a little bitch. She always makes pretty cringy and pretty fucking horrible videos. I really... Okay, that's some pretty good voice mixing right there, Nicky. The do not like Nicky is an idiot in his parents' house making shitty videos. Hopefully Nicky gets his penis cut off. Oh, that kind of escalated. Yeah, boy! Fast. Oh no, not content aware scale. Wait, I gotta go back. That was pretty hilarious. Oh, that's just freaking scary. It's so scary, the faces. What is up, my internet friends and family? I freaking love Nicky the Cat. I'm like, I'm the mysterious stranger. I have to change my freaking profile picture. I look insane. What's up, my friends and family? I'm Charmx today. Oh, that's awesome! The rude sandstorm. Oh, Nicky, I freaking love you. This is so funny. He used the part where I was stuttering. Like, this happens in all my videos. Sometimes I forget to edit it out, but when I start my videos, I always end up, like, stuttering and repeating myself like a moron. And I sometimes forget to edit it out, and then people see it and they're like, did you have a stroke? And I guess Nicky used that in the YouTube poop. It's a cute donko. I'm such an idiot. Oh, fuck! I find that when I'm editing my video... Is that all for one video? Like, just me taking deep breaths? Is that all from one video? Because I have to go and pause a lot. And at every pause, essentially, I'm making some, like, stupid, very stupid and silly face. It's so true. To another crazy unboxing video. Wait, is that the end of the video? No? But it's so true. Never pause when my video. So what is with the windows? I was gonna say, that's so true. Never pause on my videos. I look insane. That was amazing, Nicky. Nicky the Cat makes fantastic YouTube poops. Make sure you go subscribe. The link's in the description. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Possibly share it with a friend. If you're new, and subscribe to the family today. And I'll see you guys next time. Boop.